Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to manage devices on your Microsoft account in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your Google search bar. Now right here, account.microsoft.com. Press on Enter. Now go to Devices. Here you'll find all of your devices. Now select your device and click on See Details. Here you'll find all of your informations, or if you want to remove this device, you have to click on this. So this is how you can manage devices on your Microsoft account in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.